This is my new bee. I am on a Venus flytrap. Venus flytraps have leaves that look like bear traps. They are hinged in the middle. Each half has a sensitive bristle. When a bristle is touched as by an insect, the half snaps shut and the teeth lock to trap the insect until it has been digested. Here's the rest of my information. Like other plants, Venus flytraps gather nutrients from gases in the air and nutrients in the soil. However, they live in poor soil and are healthier if they get nutrients from insects. Carnivore plants live all over the world, but a Venus flytrap is native to select smoky areas in the North and South Carolina because of people fractions with these plants. They collect many of them, and they became energized. Venus flytraps today are grown in greenhouses and leaves. The leaves of Venus flytraps open wide, and on them their short, stiff hairs called hairs are sensitive hairs. When anything touches these hairs enough to bend them, the two lobes of the leaf snap shut, trapping whatever is inside. The trap will shut in less than a second. The trap doesn't close all the way at first. It is tight that it stays open for a few seconds in order to allow the very small insect to escape, because they wouldn't provide enough food if the object isn't food. Stone or a nut, the trap will reopen in about 12 hours and spit it out. When the trap closes over food, it cries fingers like to keep larger insects inside. Fold your hands together, latching your fingers to see what. In a few minutes, the trap will shut tightly and form the air seal in order to keep the digestive system full inside bacteria.
Recording on Friday. Everyone else, I'm going to start Friday.
Okay, what do plants need to make food? Plants need several things to make food. To make their own food, they need a green pigment found in the leaves, algae, along with plants. Some bacteria and pigments are autotrophs. Most autotrophs use a process called photosynthesis to make their food. Organisms that perform do not use energy from the sun to produce food. Plants make their own food by process. A process called photosynthesis. Plants convert carbon dioxide and water to energy. Food in the process of sunlight, hence the name of photosynthesis, and Greek photo false light, and the sensitive putting together. If you wonder where does this process take place in the plant? The answer is in the leaf. The plant's leaf cells are abundant with the which contains the green pigment and absorbs the sunlight rapidly. Photosynthesis also gives green color to the plant. Some plants can survive in very low conditions. If you think about dark rainforests, there are plants that grow in that environment. They have involuntary adaptations to handle these low-light environments, which includes making boards and leaves to capture as much sunlight as they can. The